भाजपा कडेन 21 सदस्याचे सरकार घडोवपाक जाता जाल्यार तांणी अवश्य करचे। काँग्रेस विरोधकांक बसपाक तयार आसात। भाजपान आपली हार मानपाक जाय आशिल्ली अशें काँग्रेसीचे गोंयचे प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंह हांणी म्हळां। आयतारा काँग्रेस पक्षाचे निवडून आयिल्ले उमेदवारांची सीएलपी लीडर थारोवपाक बसका जाली। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
CLP has unanimously requested the Congress President and the Vice President to advise them about electing the leader of this Congress legislative party. This is the usual practice, but at the same time AICC respects the views of the individual MLAs, and therefore Mr. Venugopalji, Member of Parliament, who is an observer of the AICC, Dr. Chilakumar and myself will individually meet each of the Congress MLA and take their view in a most transparent manner, so that the person who has the largest support in the CLP is asked to lead the CLP. And in the meantime, we are also in touch with non-BJP MLAs. We are absolutely confident that we have the numbers on our side, and it will be definitely over more than 21.
Mainly the MLAs elect their leader.
Yes.
But why you have empowered High Command to elect?
This is the usual practice of the Congress Party. Congress Party always does this unanimously, and then takes the consensus, the sense of the each individual MLA, and then convey it to the Congress President or the Vice President, because she is not, she or Rahul ji will talk to them, and whoever has got the largest support will be elected. There is no interference from the AICC. No interference, I repeat. The people of Goa have chosen their MLAs. The Goa Congress Legislative Party will elect its own leader.
बीजेपी दावा करे कि उनके पास पर्याप्त बहुमत से ज्यादा संख्या है, क्या
हारने के बाद भी
क्या
उनका कहना है कि उनके साथ समर्थन है, एमजीपी की भी है।
हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा है, उनका लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट ले लें और अपना वो लीडर पहले चुन लें, और लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट लेके गवर्नर से मिल लें। हम लोग जाके मिलेंगे लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट के साथ। हम लोग बिना लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट के, बिना अपना लीडर चुने गवर्नर से नहीं मिलेंगे।